Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to check if your Cash App card arrived. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Cash App on your device. On the home screen, tap the profile icon in the top right corner to access your account settings. Scroll down and select Support. Once the support page loads, look for the Cash App card section and tap on it. Next, choose Getting Your Card. Here, you will find details about your card's delivery time. Cash App states that it can take up to 14 business days for the card to arrive after applying. If your card has not arrived within this time frame, scroll down and select the Contact Us section. Tap Chat with Us to open the customer support chat. In the chat, type a message explaining your issue, including the date you applied for the card. A sample message could be, "I applied for my Cash App card on date, but it has not arrived yet. Can you provide an update on its status?" Once you send your message, the Cash App support team will review your request and respond with further instructions or an update. Be patient, as response times may vary. So that's basically how you can check if your Cash App card arrived. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.